A cracked ceramic pot is usually headed for the trash, but the signature ice crackle on ancient Ware is a deliberate masterpiece. How does a bowl completely fracture its surface without shattering? It starts with a freshly fired piece of porcelain, resting in a kiln at nearly 1300 degrees. At this peak heat, the anatomy is simple: a solid inner clay body coated in a distinct outer layer of glassy glaze. After a cooling period, the kiln door opens, hitting the piece with a sudden rush of cold air. This drastic temperature drop forces the materials to physically shrink, but the inner body and the outer glaze don't contract at the same rate. The inner porcelain core rapidly shrinks away from the cold, which intensely pulls and stretches the outer glaze layer. Because the cooling glaze is trying to remain rigid, it can't handle the stress. To relieve the tension, the outer layer snaps. It fractures into a delicate web of overlapping shallow lines, producing audible pops without ever breaking the structural core beneath. And that 1300-degree piece, it emerges fully intact, wrapped in a perfectly shattered, legendary masterpiece.